Welcome everybody. Today inshallah we'll talk about the properties of the rectangle. In rectangles we can see rectangles here. This is a rectangle, this is a rectangle. We can see shapes in the form of a rectangle like our mobiles and our doors. Now we'll define the rectangle. What is the rectangle? The rectangle is a quadrilateral. What's the meaning of quadrilateral? Quadrilateral means it has four sides. So we have the first side AD and the second side CD, the third side BC and the fourth side AB. Now let's complete the properties. The first property that each two opposite sides are parallel. What is the meaning of parallel? Parallel means they will never intersect, as you can see here. AB parallel to CD, AB parallel to the opposite side BCD, and the side AD parallel to the side BC, AD parallel to the opposite side BC. The second probability, each two opposite sides are equal in length. Equal here, equal, but here parallel. Now equal. The length of AB equals the length of the opposite side CD, and the length of AD equal the length of the opposite side BC. Now let's complete. Here we have four angles, angle A, angle B, angle C and angle D. They are all equal in measure. The measure of A equals the measure of B equals the measure of C equals the measure of D. They all equal 90 degrees. That means we have here right angle, right angle, right angle, right angle, four right angles. Now let's complete. Here we'll talk about the diagonal. The diagonal is a line joined between non-successive verses. So we have here two diagonals, the diagonal AC and the other diagonal BD. What about these diagonals? Its diagonals bisect each other. That means M is midpoint of AC and M also midpoint of BD. The length of AM equals the length of MC. The length of MD equals the length of MB, as we write here. Now its diagonals are equal in length. The length of AC equals the length of the other diagonal BD. Let's complete. Of course, sometimes they ask us about the perimeter and the area. Now we will calculate the perimeter of the rectangle. The perimeter of the rectangle equal, we have here a small rule tells us the perimeter equal the length plus width all times 2. That means we will add the length plus the width and then multiply by 2. The perimeter of the opposite rectangle equal length plus width multiplied by 2. 8 plus 3 of course equal 11, and then multiply 11 by 2. 11 multiplied by 2 equals 22 centimeters. This is when we talk about the perimeter. But when we talk about the area of the rectangle equal just multiply length times width. Will multiply the length times the width. So if we have here length 8 and the width is 3, then multiply them together. 8 times 3 equals 24 square centimeter. And because we deal here with the area, so the unit here is square centimeter. This is all about the rectangle. Thanks and goodbye with my best wishes.